Hi friends, today I'm going to talk to you about how you can raise your vibration. So let's get started. So this is a basic picture of our human aura. So before we understand about our vibrational state, let us see what our human aura is made of. So this middle part, this black region is our physical body, which we all can see. But we also have several bodies surrounding our physical body, which we usually can't see. So if you see here, the first body which is surrounding the physical body is called the energy body. This energy body has chakras which actually control the functioning of your physical body. So beyond that, you have something called the astral or emotional body. So the emotional body, it actually contains our emotional blueprint. Say a person in a particular situation, he feels angry, or another person feels more depressed. So all these emotional triggers are recorded in your astral body. And similarly, your mental patterns, like what kind of thoughts you produce on an average day, all these thoughts are recorded in your mental body. So all these bodies together make up your human aura. So, vibration is nothing but the current emotional state or mental state you are in. So, we'll see about that. So, we all know like we tend to get into negative vibrational states like feeling very angry or depressed, and we also stay in a positive vibrational state sometimes like feeling very joyful, loving, and happy. And we always love to be in a positive vibrational state, right? But sometimes when we do get into a negative vibrational state, it becomes difficult to come out of this state. The main reason behind that is that whenever we are in a vibration, as per the law of attraction, you attract similar vibrations towards you. So say you're angry, you attract more angry thoughts to you. So it actually becomes really difficult to come out of this state. So this is the reason why many people are not able to control, say, our negative emotions. Like if we are depressed, we'll not be able to come out of it. That is because you actually attract more depressing thoughts from the universe. Similarly, when you're in a positive vibrational state, say a poet who is very creative, he starts getting more creative thoughts. That's because he attracts similar thoughts that he has towards him. So if you're positive, you tend to become more positive, and if you're negative, you actually tend to get more negative also. So it is really very important that when you are in a negative vibrational state, you should somehow come out of it and go into a positive vibrational state. Then, as per the law of attraction, once you get into a positive vibrational state, automatically things will start working for you. Say you have some deadline in your office, or you feel really stressed or worried about that. Instead of that, if you try to remain calm and you raise your vibrational state, you actually tend to get solutions because you attract similar thoughts, remember? So you actually get solutions. So it is very important for us to just raise our vibration and things will actually become fine for us. But that being said, it's really difficult to come out of a negative vibrational state. So we will see some ways by which we can try to raise our vibration. So the first way by which we can try to raise our vibration is by exercising. So exercise has been shown by research that it reduces the negative energy in your body, in your energy body and your physical body, and more fresh prana flows through your system when you exercise. So many of us would have experienced this. Once you exercise, you feel more happy, hopeful, and you feel like going and doing your next work. But that being said, like when you're in a negative emotional state, it's really difficult to exercise. So you can maybe try to do some 5 minutes of 10 minutes of exercise. Even this brings about a change in your emotional state. So if it's not possible for you to exercise when you're in a negative state, then you can try breathing exercises. Like just 5 minutes of breathing, 2 to 5 minutes of breathing. That is simple breathing is enough. Like you can actually combine breathing with visualization techniques. Like when you breathe in, you can just visualize you're attracting or breathing in all the fresh prana and the energies of happiness, joy, and whatever positive energies you need. And while breathing out, visualize that you're releasing all your stress, anxiety, and whatever negative emotions you might have. So this, that when done even for a few minutes, it actually raises a vibrational state. And another good way to raise your vibration is by having gratitude. So you can actually make it a habit to feel grateful for each and every small thing in your life. Like right from the time you get up, say, when you get up, you can just say, thank you, God, for giving me this fresh day, for helping me achieve more things today. So this actually puts you into a positive vibrational state, and you tend to attract the same things. And you can say like gratitude, you need not have many bigger things for gratitude, just small things like having a happy feel with your happy meal with your family, and gratitude that you're doing well, that you still have a job, which many people don't have in this lockdown. So you can just be grateful for small things and try increasing this list. And what happens is when you're feeling grateful, you are in a emotion or a vibration of acceptance, and the universe actually attracts more such things to you for which you can be grateful for. But instead, if you think, I do not have a happy life, always my relationships are very toxic and they do not understand me, so that is what you're going to attract even more. So it is very important that you actually watch your thoughts, what you're thinking, because what you're thinking will actually manifest into reality. So if you feel like you have a very bad relationship or you have a financial issue, instead of cribbing about that, you can actually form affirmations like this and say, I am manifesting abundance, or I'm manifesting good relationships, and this will tend to manifest. So as I said, like this is one affirmation you can use to say, to heal a toxic relationship. You can say, I am loving to all and I attract loving relationships. Love is everywhere and I am filled with love. So what happens is when you repeat this affirmation several times, your aura is filled with love and you automatically attract only loving energies towards you. So what happens? You get more new relationships which are loving, and also your current relationships will be healed. So it's worth a try. So whatever you need to manifest in your life, you can just form an affirmation like this, positive affirmation, and just keep repeating it and see what happens. And we can also use a combination of affirmation and gratitude to heal our body pain. So we all have several body pains throughout the day, like some neck pain or lower back pain or just minor pains. So you can actually try this. Like next time when you have a pain, you can just appreciate the part of the body where you have pain. Like everyone likes appreciation. So like just think about it. Say your lower back or neck, it has been working for you for say 20 years or 30 years, and in fact, you've been stressing your body, but still it keeps working for you. Even at night, you take rest, but it is still working non-stop for you, right? So you can just appreciate it and say, thank you, lower back, for working so tirelessly for me. And you can just say, I appreciate the work you have been doing. And you have been working all these years without taking a moment of rest. I send you lots of loving kindness and peace. And I send you lots of loving energies. So when you do such an appreciation exercise, you can actually feel that body part healing. Say when you do this exercise for your back pain, I can usually feel my back pain relieved, and to an extent, not if not completely, and my back actually feels more freer to move. So you can actually try this exercise for any body part. So affirmations or gratitude are very powerful tools and techniques to raise your vibration. So do use it in your, do try these exercises, and let me know in the feedback how this helped you. Thank you.